So the winds in San Bernardino, very strong. And this branch ripped off. Poor guy. Freshly ripped off. Oh, poor tree. And it's huge. That's how strong the winds were. I guess they said it was a hurricane force winds. I believe it. This is a huge tree branch. Whoa. Yep. And ripped off this huge tree. So that's one. And I know there was another one too. Pretty big. That's a big tree branch. Huge. Yeah. So I think the winds are finished now. Okay, it's Meadows, San Bernardino, California. And it is the 22nd of January, 2022. So it's, yeah. Okay, take care. God bless. So here's the other tree branch. It's not that big, but still ripped off in the winds. And this one came from this huge tree. The one I was looking at last night, blowing really hard.